How to sign up for a swim meet. First, go to the team website and log in. Going back to Office. Go to Events and Competitions and Team Events. First of all, to find more information on the meet, if you click on the meet itself, you see here the meet information about the meet. Don't pay attention too much to those times. Those are kind of mandatory to put those times, and we just normally fake those times because there's no way to predict what time the meet's over and what time the meet actually going to exactly start. And I'll show you how to get those information more accurate in a minute. So in the description, there's the basic information. So what time the meet is, what the meet fees are, and information very, very important to you. You need it on your fingertips. For the total information about the meet, meet information, please click on the file with the meet information. And then this is the completely meet information coming from the host team. For USA meets, they're very complex. So here's the points that you really need to pay attention to. You need to pay attention to that. We need to scratch child 20 minutes after the first warm-up. How did I know when the first warm-up is? You click on you go to sessions. Here's the first warm-up, 7:15. We might have a different warm-up when they distribute the teams. So they have several teams attending the meet. Each team will have an assignment time for warm-up. It could be a 7:15, it could be a 7:30, it could be a 7:45. So those information is normally given to you later on the week of the swim meet. So be prepared to be there at 7:15 a.m. if we get the first warm-up. So if your kid is 13 and over, it says here they're going to swim in afternoon. So actually the first warm-up is at 1:30. So here's a very important piece of information you need to know. Another important piece is how many events they can swim, and if they cut events, how many they actually going to cut through. The entry time, so no times is not allowed on this specific meet, so I have to put a time. So what means I might have to fake your time for the first swim meet you go, which is okay. They expect that. So for beginner meets, beginner of the season meets, we can't do this in championships. Then the deadline, this is the last deadline. That's not the team deadline, is their deadline. Then the price per event. And then if there is a relay, how the relays are done. And then at the end of the whole process is the list of events in each day. The events don't repeat themselves. So one day they offer, for example, the 50 breaststroke. The next day they might offer the 100 breaststroke. This is just an example. So going back to the first initial screen, to sign up your child, you're going to click on attend or decline right here in the corner. And then you're going to click on your child's name in this list down here. And you're going to say yes if they're going to go to the meet. And then if they're going to the meet, you can put a note. For example, my child needs to leave early. Okay, and leave that note there. I can see that note in my screen when I'm preparing the entries. Then you can pick the events. I suggest you actually ask your child what their favorite events are, what their favorite stroke is. You give me some suggestion. You're very lost, does not know what to do because you're new to this. Mark down Moriel. Sign my child for as many events she's eligible and ready to do it, for example. If there's a price per event and you want to limit how many events they want to do it, please do so. If there's a meet Saturday and Sunday, please put it on your note also. If they're streaming Saturday, Sunday, Saturday and Sunday, or just Saturday or just Sunday. At the end of the process, save it. All right. Now, I don't want my child to go to this meet because we have a wedding. Click no, put a note. We have a wedding at this day. We're not available. Boom, I know, save it. That will take you off the list and you will not receive any other emails asking you to sign up for this meet. Going back to the meet, after you sign up for the meet, for home meets, you need to click on job assignments. Actually, for away meets too, you can do this. And you're gonna click on the job assignment and pick what job you want to do it. It's not ready yet, so you click here. There will be several jobs. Need help with that? Please, again, give me a call or shoot me an email. But everybody is required to volunteer. We need all hands on deck, be able to run a good meet. So this is a little bit about how to sign up a meet. If you have questions, please grab the phone, text me, email me, or sometimes if you prefer, give me a phone call. Again, for payments, if the meet does have a payment, I will place the link here later and we'll send to you the link to make the payment. Hope you have a great day. See you next video.